Hello everyone and welcome as we explore the features of the Tracfone Motorola MotoGPure smartphone. This sleek blue device features a massive 6.5-inch Max Vision HD plus ultra-wide display. You can capture stunning portraits using the 13-megapixel dual camera system with fast phase detection autofocus. The powerful octa-core processor with HyperEngine technology ensures every touch and swipe feels completely instant. Enjoy your favorite games and movies all weekend long with the reliable 4,000 mAh battery. A specialized water-repellent design protects your new phone from any accidental spills or unexpected liquid splashes. This locked Tracfone device offers simple activation for reliable wireless service on their expansive high-speed network. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.